basically, we're going to take, I've been trimming the trees, and then I'll take the branches, which I cut, and then I just put it through the machine, and it'll mulch it. So this is a good way to make mulch for your vegetables and trees. This works.
Well, it's still going, and that's gonna be in the video now. You think people are gonna watch this? That was kind of boring.
That's fun. Look at this. Look at all the stuff we can get. We can fill buckets of this. And now look at this. This is the other idea. I have a lot more material that I cut. So now, if you look at the compost bin, and if you look at this, I fill it with all the leaves, and now I'll get the weed whacker, and I'll just make it into really small pieces. And by doing that, and that one over there, it'll compost a lot faster because it's broken down. So you can use the same material you have in your yard from your trees, leaves, branches, and all that. You can get the branches and make them into mulch. And it's organic mulch. It doesn't have any pesticides or anything added to it. And you can take the leaves, you can break them down with the weed whacker, and you can create compost. And that way you use all your green material, which you can reuse back into your raised beds for your vegetables, and to mulch them as well. And you can, put it around your fruit trees and all of that. So, and that way you're kind of recycling the same material you have in your home from your trees back to your vegetables, back to your trees. So it's a win-win for everybody. Okay. So you remove the leaves. And now you have branches for mulching with the wood chipper, and you have all these leaves that you can use for compost. But I'm going to do another step, which is to actually use the weed whacker to break them down, which you'll see. Okay, so now we're going to do the next step. You can wear a mask because it throws up a lot of stuff, and you can even wear ear protection if you want. So let me.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll
breaks it down. That will speed up the process a lot quicker. Okay, here we go. Just a little sample. Okay, you can see, look at how much it goes down, how it shreds it, and that'll save you a lot of space. It'll decompose a lot faster. You could even use it as mulch, and you know, it'll take you 5 or 10 minutes and you can go down. I just keep throwing and throwing in here and, you know, do this, and and I have a good amount of trees and leaves here, and you know, it basically, I hardly ever get it to the point that I can't put any more in because I do this. So I think it's a good good technique if you want to try it.
So is that it?
Yeah, that's it. We can edit some more. And we'll let it go. We like it for now.
Say bye.
Okay. Bye. Hope
Bye.
you like it.
Bye. See you in our next video.
Yeah.